Hello, fellow cruisers, some advice and experience from a pro. Ever dreamed of cruising the high seas but didn't know where to start? Well, anchor's away, my friends, because you're in for a treat. Welcome aboard, future cruisers. Today, we're unpacking all the essentials you'll need for a spectacular first cruise. First up, picking the right cruise line is like choosing a dance partner. It's got to match your rhythm. Whether you're looking for luxury, adventure, or family fun, there's a ship out there with your name on it. Next, let's talk packing. Remember, it's not just clothes, it's about the right gear. From seasickness bands to evening wear for those fancy dinners, packing right is your first step to a carefree voyage. And let's not forget about your onboard experience. With activities ranging from Broadway-style shows to rock climbing, there's never a dull moment. But here's a pro tip: book those popular activities early. They fill up faster than lifeboats at a drill. And what about those port days? Maximize your time ashore by planning your excursions in advance. Whether it's snorkeling in turquoise waters or exploring ancient ruins, make every moment count. As we dock this short cruise guide, remember, every seasoned cruiser started just where you are now. So take these tips, tailor them to your journey, and set sail towards an unforgettable adventure. And don't forget, share your own tales and tips in the comments below. Let's navigate these waters together. Please subscribe and join our fellowship. Be notified of more adventure videos. Thank you.